Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a review and wear test on the new Givenchy Prisme Libre Skin Caring Matte Foundation, and I am in the shade W370. This shade is a neutral undertone with tan skin. It comes in this beautiful glass packaging. You do get the pump.
My birthday's in 3 days now.
Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you, Ellie.
As you see, everything's set really beautiful. To save time, because this is a wear test video, I am gonna finish up with my blush and bronzer off camera, and then I'll be back to show you. And as you see, everything applied really lovely with this new Givenchy Skin Caring Matte Foundation. I am personally oily, so I usually go for more of a matte foundation, and in my opinion this was very easy to blend out. I am already impressed. I don't even see my pores or any line or anything like that. It's set down really easily and seamless. So far I am loving this foundation, and I am gonna be keeping this on for the entire day. I might do check-ins, or I might just come back at the end of the day and just show you how this foundation held up or how it fell apart. But either way, I'm gonna come and still show you the finished results at the end of the day to this new Givenchy foundation. But like I said, so far it is lovely. If I had to rate it right now, I would give it a perfect 10, but I'll be back later to give you my final rating on this beautiful foundation. I've been wearing this foundation for about 12 hours, and this is the status of my face. I'm just gonna zoom in so you can see. I am a bit shiny, not shiny, I would say a bit dewy in my T-zone area. However, this is really great. The foundation didn't separate. It didn't oxidize at all. Around my nose and my under eye, around my mouth, the foundation is all in place still. And I feel like this is one of those foundations that if you do blot or touch up, it's gonna come back to new. And I'm getting ready for bed, but just for video purposes, I am gonna blot just to see how this foundation looks. And as you see, by blotting, it did clean up a lot of the shine. And I feel like if I had to go on for more hours with this, I can absolutely get way more of a wear time than 12 hours with this one, and I am really impressed with this. This is one of the best foundations I've tried, if not the best foundation I've tried in a very long time. I felt that way just upon application. I felt like this was the best foundation I've ever tried. I feel like it still has my pores blurred way after 12, probably 13, 14 hours I've been wearing this, and it still looks really, really beautiful, just like when I first applied it. And like I said, if I did have to get more of a wear time out of this, I'm very, very sure that that's absolutely possible. And I did rate this foundation just upon application a perfect 10, and by wearing this foundation for the entire day, I do still foundation a perfect 10, as like I said, this is one, if not the best foundation that I have ever tried. And I've tried a lot of foundations on my channel here with you ladies. This one still doesn't feel like I'm wearing anything on my skin. And like I said at the beginning of this video, this foundation also have lovely, lovely skincare benefits in this one. And like I said, it's a super long wearing foundation, so I will absolutely recommend this foundation to oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, to all skin types, as I don't feel like this is a drying foundation. It's not gonna dry out your skin in any way, because there's really great skincare benefits in this one. But if there's anything that I didn't mention about this beautiful, beautiful new matte foundation from Givenchy, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to respond. I will leave the direct link to this foundation in my description box, and I paid $49 US for this foundation. If you're new here, be sure to click my picture and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.